guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you these shoes I made, these fur like boots or whatever. So I found the fur at Joanns Fabrics, and the shoes came from Forever 21. They were on sale for like somewhere between $6 and $14. I can't remember, but they were just plain to me, and so I said let me put some fur on it just to be doing something. So found the fur at Joanns Fabrics, and like this was like a fur, I forgot what it was called. I'll see if I can find it and link it below. But right here I was just wrapping it around to see how much I would need and see if it would fit or whatever. And I took some E600 glue and I just glued it onto the back of the fur. And like this really stick. Like I didn't think it would stick. Like it takes a moment, but it's gonna stick. So I just put it all around the fabric trim, or I'm gonna call it for now because I can't think of the name of it. Excuse me. So I put it all around there, and eventually you're gonna see where I continue to do that all the way up the shoe, like cutting what I need to and trimming what I need to. So for the top part of the shoe or fur, the top part of the shoe and the fur, I made a cut that was not too not too much left over because I didn't want it sticking up at the top. So I just tucked it on the inside of the shoe where like the inside of the fur is, where it meets the shoe. I just tucked it on the inside of that so I could, feel safe and secure, like it wouldn't come off or you couldn't see that I glued the shoe on. I truly apologize for my nappy hair being in the camera like half the video. I'm sorry. But just look past that. I'm just still gluing it on here, right? Gluing the glue on the fur and attaching the fur to the shoe. And like I said, sticking the inside of the fur inside my shoe, which you're about to see right now. So for the second shoe, like this is another way you can do it. I glued like the whole thing this time, starting from the bottom to the top though. I glued the whole thing and put it on there at once, so you didn't, like if you didn't want to do all the extra cutting, you didn't have to. I glued it all and put it on there at once, and then like again took the top part on the inside of my shoe and added whatever I needed to, or took off whatever I needed to. Personally, this way is better to me because it's not all that extra pieces of cuts in the shoe. Like you can kind of tell, but you can't unless you're like looking very hard. But it's not all that extra lines and extra cuts, and making sure you keep the fabric the same way. Like on the first shoe, I got confused, but it's not all that extra thinking into it. You just, you know, glue and go. Like you see, this shoe was so much quicker. Like 2 cuts and you're done. Well, more like 3 or 4, and then you're done. But like the other shoe, the first way I guess, was like 18 cuts and like took forever and just was too much thinking into it. I prefer this way, honestly. And like if you have some clamps that you can use to hold it in place, I would suggest using those as well, because you know it's just easier. You can move faster and it's very beneficial. So I personally prefer the second method, I guess you want to call it. So let me know, guys, what you think, which method is better or whatever, easier for you. And like, if you try this shoe, send me pictures of it because I want to see it. No, but like right here, you can tell where I added the pieces in. So pushing the further opposite way would kind of throw that off a little bit, like you won't be able to tell as much. But let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, like the video and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified when I post next, and subscribe to my channel.